I'm going to show you how to make a festival flag for Hullabaloo at home using simple materials you're likely to have around the house. For this make you'll need a pan lid, pen, sellotape, ruler, scissors and some plastic bags. Begin by cutting off the top of the handles of the first bag and try to take off the smallest amount that you can. Then turn the bag over, straighten it out and cut down one side between the handles from the top to the bottom. Then cut across the bottom of the bag and open it out, snipping off any bits that are still caught. Next you want to neaten up the bottom edge. You can use a ruler or freehand it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but aim for a straight line if you can. Next, use your scissors to trim your bag to the line that you've drawn. Leave the handles on this first bag as they'll be important later. Now take a second bag and open it up in the same way as you did with the first one. But this time we'll be trimming off the handles too, so draw a straight line on both sides and try to create as little waste as possible as you trim it up. Repeat this step with another bag if you have one, and that way we'll end up with 3 sections of colourful homemade flag fabric. Now lay your first 2 sections flat on a table, slightly overlapping, and tape up your first seam with sellotape. Attach your third section in the same way, pressing the tape down firmly to make a strong join. Any excess material resulting from using different bags can be trimmed from the sides at this point. Now you can add some circles to your flag using a pan lid as a template. Draw around the lid and then cut your shapes out, saving any excess material. Now to attach the circles to your flag, prepare 8 strips of sellotape for each circle that you'll be using. To attach the circles to your flag, tape top and bottom, pressing down firmly, then side to side, and finally go for the remaining 4 cross quarters, trying to tape it evenly and flat. This should cover your whole circle if your strips of sellotape are long enough. Now turn your flag over so that you're looking at the back of the flag and pull apart the front and the back of your circle. Make sure that they're separate and then make an incision and cut around the back of the flag in the shape of the circle. It doesn't matter if it's rough, you can trim this up later. You can tape all the back seams if you want to. To make a nice edge for your flag, you can now add some shapes made from the leftover plastic you've saved along the way. Here I'm using the handles and waist of the orange bag to make simple tags, which are then sellotaped on front and back. You can trim these tags into any shape you want. Here I'm just kneading them up roughly as there were some holes in the plastic. And now we're ready to make our tabs. Fold the handles over to make tabs. Try to make sure that the top of the folds line up fairly evenly. Next, begin taping the bottom edge of the folded tab to the main body of your flag. Again, press down firmly. Continue in this way until you've taped firmly down all 4 tabs. To finish a flag, we're going to tape up the top. So lay your tape on half and half, fold it over your top tab, and this seals it up so that the pole won't come through. Finally, sort through your waste, saving any pieces that might work for additional decoration and putting the rest in your plastic recycling. Insert a bamboo cane, broom handle or similar pole through the tabs to fly your flag, and take the bottom of the flag to the cane so it doesn't fly away. If you don't have a garden, you can hang the flag as a banner from your window. I hope you have fun with this make, and I look forward to seeing all your flags flying for Hullabaloo at home.